Welcome back, friend. I'm gonna show you what's the difference between sending 1,000 emails versus 1,000 looms in this quick video. I've just compiled the results, so let's go. So basically sending 1,000 cold emails versus sending 1,000 cold looms. Okay, so you might be wondering, like, what is the big difference? Like with email, right? Like you go to your smart lead, you go to your instantly, you go to your peoples.ai, and you basically just put in 1,000 contacts and just send to people. So with Loom, though, you could just go to Loom's platform and you could upload a video like this. And if you click share, if you're on the paid plan, we don't have an account here for this video at the moment because we use a lot and sometimes we just get these subscriptions overdue. And if you use this, what you can do is you just upload a video, you can upload the title, and if you send to the people, you could just click here. It would be here like share. It would be like a share now button, something like that. You could click that and you can share to anyone basically with Loom systems, and this email is going to go through 100% of the time. The title is going to be the subject line in this case, so people are going to see this, so people are going to see this video in their inbox, right? Versus just the regular cold email. Okay, so that's really the difference. The only problem with Looms, you cannot respond to any prospects. All they see is just the video, so you really got to put all that you have in here. But you could include even a description here. It's not included, but as you can see, just book a strategy call and it's going to be taking into them discovery call EMs. That's what is going to happen if people just come here and then book a call. Okay, so I've just compiled the results for you. So for email, I cherry picked this example. It's I know it's a little bit more. I mean, you can take with that what you will. It's 1,200. I know, sue me. But we got 108 replies, so 5%. That's quite decent. A few bounces, doesn't really matter, but 40 positive responses, which ended up being 4 meetings in this little campaign that we run. So that's decent. 10% booking rate, could be better. I know we've seen a lot better results, but I mean, you can easily book these yourself, and these are quite decent results. I mean, from 1,200 leads, 4 meetings is really not that bad, right? But for Loom, you might be asking, is it better? Yeah, it is better. Like, surprisingly, we got 6 meetings out of 1,000. Unfortunately, there's really no way for us to track this, so all I could do is just like send you the analytics tab and see what we got. So we got 6 meetings in the same time frame. I think we took like 1 week to send this out, and it got us 6 meetings, and we should be doing more of this because it's super powerful. So yeah, just a quick comparison if you wonder like what's the difference. I know we did a video on this back a while ago, but we didn't really go into like the numbers. So again, this is just a small test. Numbers could vary in the long run. So what's really good is you can run both of these at the same time, and you can just like flood yourself with meetings. And really, this doesn't take much time. I mean, you could do this manually. You could click here and then just share it. You could just hire a VA to share the video. The only problem is, again, like you cannot track the replies. You cannot really track anything, right? There's no back and forth. Either people book or they don't book. And hey, maybe I got lucky. Hey, maybe I did a good intro. Hey, maybe people like my face here. I don't know. It could have been a lucky scenario. We might do a bigger sample size based on this. Actually, I think we need to do way more Looms. So I think if you just got anything out of this video, I know it's just a quick short one, but just try it out yourself. And if you don't want to do Loom, you can do Zoom as well. So Zoom has Zoom clips, and there's so many platforms like this. It's not just these two, right? Like you can go and literally pick anyone. I use Loom because everybody knows Loom, and if you got an email from Loom, it is just going to, you know, seem that much more authentic and that much more better, right? So this is how it looks from your perspective if you receive a Loom from somebody who's using this trick. So as you can see like a preview of the video of the watch now. So it's like a GIF. So they make this video into GIFs. So that's quite cool. If you want to include their website, like here we have Crop Reach, you can include your website or the prospect's website, I mean, in here. And what it's going to say, like the name, share the Loom with you. And that's really all. Curiosity has killed a cat. If you know the reference, you're going to watch it if you see your website. there's really nothing really else to it. So you don't need to put like descriptions or anything because it's just not going to show up. So quite simple. You got a Loom, someone's got your website, you're going to click watch now, right? Like if you click watch now, it's just going to take you to the Loom, and here you can put descriptions and whatnot. And as you can see, you can put book call here, you can put responses here, and then you can do back and forth chats even if you want. So really that's the difference. Both strategies work. This one is marginally better. If you scale this up, then this is going to absolutely cook for you. So quick video. I'll see you in the next one.